All right. I had a customer give me a Sony str-de635 with a protection. And I usually don't work on amps, but let's take a look. So as I mentioned, I don't generally work on amps, so let's see what this thing is doing. Do we have anything? Oh, I guess we got to turn it on, right? Why am I not getting anything here? Oh, you just can't see it. It's just not showing up. All right, there we go. It's kind of hard to see. I guess we need to clean that cover. Okay, so it comes on like this, but as soon as you do anything, it goes into protection. Let's crack it open and see what we got. Dusty. So what I found on a little search was they talk about cracked solder joints or a 1 ohm resistor on the protection. Well, it's pretty interesting. I see why now why I don't work on these too much. There's a lot to go through, but it's kind of nice that they put that cover on the back. Now these do not look too good. I don't like any of those. We're going to hit every one of those and see what happens. How about over here? See, even all of these don't look too happy. I like the way they left all the flux on there. All right. All right, well, that should be enough back together to tell us whether we got a winner or not. Let's plug it in. Everything's connected. We get that. Okay, those are all back in. I think that's all we disconnected, right? This one. All right, let's give it some power. Nope, there goes our protector. Darn it. Yeah. Immediately go into the protector. We're going to have to try and find this, this resistor. You just can't see it. All right, well, it's worth a shot. So you can see there was a bottom cover that came off and gave us a lot of access. We'll throw this on the side and try it another time, see how far we get. Like, subscribe, see you next time.